Baron drives Ford. Tuesday Adventures. Yeah, man. Baron drives Fords. We're here in Excelsior Springs at Freedom Fireworks. Visiting my good friend Kevin, who's not here. He left Rebecca all by herself. But they got a nice fireworks stand here, guys. We're gonna check out some cool stuff that they got going on. My favorite time of the year, 4th of July is coming up. And if you ain't got your stuff, you gotta come check them out. They got all kinds of deals going on.
What up, B?
What's going down?
Nothing. No, that's something. Oh, yep, nothing.
Baron drives Fords here, guys. My favorite time of the year, 4th of July. It's only a few days away. I'm out here kicking it with my friend Rebecca and Kevin at their family's fireworks stand. They've been in business for over 35 years, but they let me come and check out some of the cool things that they got going on down here. And I think I might get in trouble because my wife's not here. Blockbuster sparklers, I don't know about that. That's too kiddish, man. We need some powerful stuff. Swords? Probably need a few of these, right? Yeah, one more. Gingerbread man. Gotta have the black cat, right? Everybody's got the black cat growing up.
Oh, right then? Yeah.
I'm sure they got some of those poppers around. Brill is gonna love some of those, so we'll have to get some. Back your pack. Now, this right here looks like you got a little bit of everything. It's the assortment. A little bit of something for everybody, the whole family, right? We need one of them.
Your basket's getting full, B.
I know.
I thought you said Tamika said no fireworks.
Yeah. Well, she didn't say no fireworks.
You just getting a few?
Yeah. She said it was strongly discouraged. She's afraid I might blow my hands up or something. Now, this is more of my speed right here. The big stuff. The big stuff is definitely. Yeah.
You're getting that?
Yeah. We gotta get that.
Baron, that's a lot of fireworks.
Yeah.
Oh my God, people, I think he's picking up more fireworks. Where are we going, B?
Clean sweep. This thing looks pretty.
Are you allowed to shoot this off in where you live?
Well, I think so.
I guess you gotta have flaming balls.
Yeah, you gotta have flaming balls. Rock busters, must have. And I really like mortars. Those are actually my favorite. I just saw them right here. Champions. Gotta have it.
Gotta have it. How are you gonna carry it?
So, I don't know what time these guys close, but
Or maybe we need to hurry.
they take cash. They take credit cards. They take everything, I think, except maybe not EBT cards.
Are you finding all the different fireworks you like, Baron?
Yeah, I'm loving it here.
Good.
I'm having a good time.
Looks like it. Baron drives Ford.